Today we are going to see embedded based energy meter using Arduino. This is the energy meter and this is connected to the main 230 supply, and this is the output of energy meter, and this is connected to switch and the to load, and this is controlled from the Arduino controller, and this is the LCD circuit, and this is the buzzer circuit. Now I will connect the 230 volt supply. The supply means the voltage and power current will be increased, and the power value is varying. The energy meter is display the energy value, and this is the energy meter, and this energy meter is blinking and indicate the energy value, and this is the 3200 impulse per kilowatt hour, and this 3200 kilowatt hour is converted into minutes, and calculate the energy by using the Arduino controller. Now I will turn on the supply, and this is the real time, and this is the energy meter output will be connected to the switch. The energy value is measured by turn on the load. The two loads are connected, and the power value will be varying. First one unit will be free and no value of amount, and the first one unit is free is enough, and amount will be increased by using how energy will be consumed, and the amount will be varying. If the buzzer is used for indicate the first one unit is free, and the next one unit is complete, again the buzzer is low.